Mohsin Dawar, a former MNA of District North Waziristan, authored a book titled Dispatches of Resilience: The Fight for Life in Pakistan, which was forwarded by ex-Senator Afrasiab Khattak in 2024 and published by Folio Book Publishers. The book delves into the historical context of the US-led Western capitalist war against the Socialist Soviet Union in Afghanistan, highlighting the era of ideology and power clashes on a global scale. Dawar explains the impact of the petrodollar deals between America and Saudi Arabia in the 1980s, which resulted in the weaponization of religion and the proliferation of unregistered religious seminaries in Pakistan, particularly in the tribal areas. He critiques Islamabad's security-centric approach to the Pashtun borderlands, which has contributed to the rise of Pashtun Tahaffuz movement, PTM. The PTM, led by Manzoor Ahmad Pashtun, Mohsin Dawar, and Ali Wazir, emerged in response to the murder of Naqibullah Mahsood and the broader history of misguided policies in Pashtun lands. Dawar advocates for reforms in the ex-FATA for social and economic development, emphasizing the need to replace the Frontier Crime Regulation with the FATA Good Governance Act of 2016. He recounts the struggles and the sacrifices of the Pashtun people from the Taliban rule to the miseries of IDP camps, and highlights the role of the state in exacerbating their suffering. Despite pledges for development, the Pashtun heartland remains a frontline in the war on terror, with thousands of civilians dying in unrest. Dawar, using the platform of the parliament, seeks to build a future generation free from intolerance and fear. He draws inspiration from Bacha Khan's non-violent philosophy, but notes that the transformation of Waziristan into a violent region due to the past geopolitical decisions. Dawar also pays tribute to the late Senator Usman Kakar and advocate Latif Afridi for their advocacy of rights and resistance against the oppressive policy.